To get started, open the Flitpay app and create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password to proceed. Next, for mobile verification, select your country, enter your mobile number, and click Get OTP. A one-time password will be sent to the number you provided. Enter the OTP to verify your mobile number. Now, enter your PAN number and confirm your PAN card details by checking the I agree box. Once your PAN details are submitted successfully, it's time to verify your address proof via DigiLocker. For this, select DigiLocker under the Select a Document option. Enter your valid Aadhaar number, tick the consent checkbox, and click Continue. Ensure that the Aadhaar number matches the details linked to your DigiLocker account. You will then be redirected to the DigiLocker website. Enter your Aadhaar number again. Verify it using the mobile OTP. And log in with your 6-digit DigiLocker security PIN. Check the Aadhaar card box and click Allow. After completing the Aadhaar verification, proceed to verify your PAN card by entering the required PAN details. Upload a real-time photo of your PAN card as per the instructions. Once your PAN card is verified, take a selfie while holding your Aadhaar card in one hand. Ensure that both your face and the document are clearly visible in the photo. Finally, enter your address and date of birth to complete the KYC process. That's it. Sit back and relax while our team reviews and verifies your submitted documents. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulatory and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries and concern, write to us at support.flitpay.com.